Hi, I'm Harish. In the last video, I showed you how to install OpenClaw, which is your 24/7 personal assistant that lives on your machine wherever you install it. To use it with AIsa, AIsa is a unified model gateway where you can just use one single endpoint and one single API key to use multiple models that are available on the internet without having to change the provider or pay for multiple subscriptions. AIsa comes with pay as you go plan, so there are no subscriptions also. You pay for how many tokens you consume. It's as simple as that. Check out that video in the description below. But today I'm going to show you how to give your OpenClaw agent skills to generate images. That's the first one that I'm going to show you. We will use a skill by the AIsa team that's called generate images and videos with Gemini 3 Pro image and Qwen Wan 2.6 for videos using the same setup that we already have. So make sure you watch that video before watching this video. ClawHub is a platform that is a repository of all the skills that people are publishing. Essentially, skills are how can you combine multiple tools to give your OpenClaw agent superpowers to do multiple things. So let's jump into seeing how to use the image generation skill, right? The installation process is actually very straightforward. Make sure your OpenClaw instance is working, running, and then use this command. Here we will change the last part to our skill that we are going to install. Like you can see here, I'm going to paste this and then I'm going to copy the slug, right, which is this part. I will give the link to this and also the instructions in our docs website as well. So don't worry about it. I'm going to paste it here and then I'm going to click enter. Now this should install the skill for us in our OpenClaw repository. I'll show you where it gets installed and where the generated images are stored as well. Okay, install anyway. Perfect. Now the skill is installed. The second step is to now use it. I've connected the OpenClaw installation that I have to a Telegram chat, right? It's called AIsa image bot. Click start, right? And then if I scroll down here, there is a default prompt that is available here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, right? As you can see, it is ready to generate an image for us. I'm going to paste the same prompt and submit. Now what will happen is it is calling the Gemini 3 Pro endpoint through the same API that we already used to set up AIsa with, and our image is generated. It said I generated this for you a few minutes ago. Here is the image. It's the cyberpunk. You can actually also generate different types of images. I'm going to say generate a landscape with Windows XP style wallpaper. Let's see what it does, right? I'm going to open this to you and show it to you once it generates. It should be in the OpenClaw folder itself. So I'm going to reduce the size of this and go to .openclaw and open my code editor so that I can show this to you. As you can see inside workspace, here you can see the skill is installed, right? This is the skill that we just installed. And once the image is generated, it should be added here. We'll go back to our chat. It is typing, bot is typing. Image generation takes a little time, a few seconds, and it generated with this file called Windows XP Bliss underscore style. As you can see, it got added here. Perfect. That's how you generate images using the same single endpoint without doing anything extra, just installing this specific skill and then prompting your OpenClaw agent through Telegram or whichever channel you've integrated with and generate images. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on another one.